host, Daisy. I am so sad because today we're mixing all of my slimes. This is the worst video I've ever done because I just made all the slimes for slime season and I didn't even get to play with them that much. But you know, it's okay. I'm guessing you want to see me get tortured, so let's just get started. So we do have second angle again today, and I'm gonna start now. So I'm gonna try to do like the bigger slimes first. So yeah, so I'm gonna do this one first, the slime that we did on Monday. And yeah, oh my gosh, oh gosh, okay. The white slime is going in. If I can, oh, didn't think this through too well. So I got that one in good, and now I'm gonna do this slime smoothie. Oh gosh, so this one's gonna be easier to get out though, because it's like thicker and not as like sticky and messed up. This is so sad. At some point, it's gonna come on me on what I'm doing, and I'm gonna freak out. I'm going to do this slime smoothie of the slimes that I hate. Boop. Really not thinking this through at all. The saddest part, I think I'm just tired while I'm doing this, so it's not like getting to me that much. This slime from, oh gosh, just gonna do it. Now I'm gonna get some of those out to do. So, next is cereal milk. That right there. This weird slime. Now I'm going to do chocolate slime. I don't remember which one this is. I think it's melted chocolate bar. Now I'm going to do peach orchard. Oh gosh. There. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this mini slime. Right there. Why am I doing the mini slimes? They're gonna get swallowed. And clear. Then this really old fluffy slime. There. And this normal slime over here. The Tide fluffy slime. You can't really see it, but you can a little bit. Okay, then we have this jiggly slime my mom made. Oh gosh, why in my life? Okay, now we have this how to make slime from the Instagram video. And now we have the Candy Shop slime base. Oh, it's really sticky, oh gosh, okay. Put it right there. We have this slime that was really fluffy and is now like really pretty. Put it right there. I'm gonna do this next box of slimes in a time lapse, and then I will be back. I finished that box. I really don't think it's all gonna fit, because this is supposed to be a 10-gallon container. This is only like 4 gallons or 5. That's over halfway full. So that might be why I can't pick it up. Oh gosh, that's heavy. But it's supposed to be 10 gallons, but I don't think it's all gonna fit. I still have an entire tote to do, and then I have to mix it, which is gonna make it air up a little bit, like inflate. So I don't know if there's enough room in this. But I like Floam. Okay. I'm gonna do a couple more on camera because I don't actually know how long this is. How long this video is. So I'm gonna do just a couple more on camera, and yeah. So I'm gonna do about a box on camera. This is my favorite hot pink cloud cream. Oh gosh. This was my favorite slime. Oh gosh. Okay, leaving that there. Then I have this cloud slime, or icy slime or whatever. Mountain Dew icy, or cloud or whatever. I'm excited to see what this turns out to be. I hope it's like a cloud, because that would be awesome. We have Cocoa Puffs. Just gonna leave it like that. Then we have what was supposed to be a recreation of Banana Cream Puffs. Right there. We have a blue Daiso butter slime, which was my favorite butter slime I made this slime season. Oh, I'm so sad. Okay. Then we have Midnight Sparkle butter slime. Oh gosh. This is not going to be enough room for all this. I don't think this is actually 10 gallons. Okay. Then we have this Dollar Tree slime that I fixed, and I think it'll mix. Not sure though. I hope it will. And we have this clear slime. So pretty. And we have Christmas cookie peas and carrots cloud. Let me move these containers out of the way and then I'll continue. Here I did 2 more slimes. I did the banana bubblegum and this pink clear slime. And now I'm doing this one. This was actually my favorite slime. Oh, that one was actually my favorite slime though. My second favorite that I've had for a while was this one. Oh, it's gonna get swallowed up soon and I'm sad. Okay. Next is, oh my gosh, I just got slime all over my hands. Next is this Floam, Micro Floam. And the Rainbow Floam that I made at the beginning of slime season, and it's lasted quite a while. So now I'm going to do another box off camera, probably half of the rest of what I have, and then I'll be back, probably. Off camera in general, not even time lapse, because as you can see, I was right. This is not 10 gallons at all. So this is overflowing, and oh gosh, and then I have to mix everything on camera. So I'm just gonna mix the rest, put the slimes in here off camera, just so yeah, so the video is shorter.
When all you can do is turn back around, walk over your
and just weird things. This turns out there. I want to make sure it's not like a little too much for the first thing. This is still like gluey, stringing up from all the rats in it, all the mess of eating in it.
Fear of letting go, but it's the fear of losing love, and that's just how the story goes.
And I will finish product to amazing butter slime. Red. Every time I try to walk done this, like I animated this, but enjoyed this video. Put on this video something about something. Bye. I'm just gonna leave it like this, like a bit. gosh. Oh my gosh. This is going to be the best clear slime ever. It shows you that's going to happen next video. You need to know about everything.
To leave things like this, I put up these walls so you can see in, but inside I'm dying. Oh, I wanna let you in, 'cause everything is there, but it's too close and it's too much. It's not the fear of letting go, but it's the fear of losing love. And every time I try to walk away, this nightmare, adrenaline pulsing through my veins.
We're gonna sink into the glitter.
Every little thing that we do, no, I can't forget, it's you. No, I won't forget you. I won't forget you. I won't. No, I won't forget you. Just slow down, just slow down. Just slow down, just slow down.
It is almost done. It needs perfect.
And hold on.
Guys, oh my, so good. And like,
This nightmare, adrenaline pulsing through my veins, brings me there. For every little thing that we do, no, I can't forget, it's you. No, I won't forget you.
oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta do it like that. Okay. It's overflowing. This said it was 10 gallons, but I had the 3 big ones, then like a gallon in bigger slimes, and then I had like 2 gallons in others. So that's not 10, I don't think. Yeah, I'm mixing it now. Oh gosh, I should have done it another way. Oh gosh, this is what it is right now. And this is not going to end well. I gotta get into this. Okay. Oh gosh, I'm gonna mix for a little while on time lapse because this is overflowing. I'm getting very tired. And yes, my friends will have a lot of slime tomorrow. Oh gosh.
Whoa, yeah. Stop hiding out in the shadows, scared to show the world you exist. Don't lock yourself in the dark.
The middle of it is turning into like a cloud / icy slime a bit. I hope the whole thing does, because I bought a gallon of instant snow and I used all of it throughout slime season. So I hope this turns into a semi-cloud cream, and if it doesn't, like, just be a good slime, please. I'm just gonna keep mixing off camera for a bit, and yeah. Oh gosh, guys, this is so heavy. But update, still not mixed yet. It's been like, I don't know how long. It's been a while. And it's a lot more mixed than it was in the last clip. But it's still, you can tell if I'm like worn out from this. It's so heavy. But it's a lot more mixed now. But it's still got patches of like slime in the bottom of that big slime. So this is going to take another while. So, oh gosh, guys, I'll be back, okay? Okay, it's still not 100% mixed up. It's been like another like 20 or 30 minutes. And it's really late, and this thing is really heavy. And there is going to be a video tomorrow of me playing with it. So it's not that big of a deal. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to P and Official Showzy. Comment on this video something about how insane I am and how this is just so sad. And oh my gosh, why did I do this? Okay, there was probably some sad thing here, and probably gonna be in the next video too, when on Days of Craziness. I don't know what I'm doing anymore, so please help me, and everything in the description box. Bye.